In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not connecting to the server. The first step is to check your internet connection. Open a web browser and visit a few websites to ensure your connection is active. If you find that you're offline, it's time to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Sometimes, a simple restart of your router can do wonders. Once that's done, reopen OneNote and check if it reconnects. This step is crucial because a stable internet connection is the foundation for OneNote to sync properly. Without it, you may continue to face issues. Next up, we will manually sync the notebook. Start by opening OneNote. Once it's open, navigate to the File tab and select Info. Here you will see an option to view the sync status of your notebooks. Click on View Sync Status to see which notebook is affected. You can then select Sync Now for that specific notebook or choose Sync All to sync everything at once. Alternatively, you can press Shift and F9 to sync the current notebook right away. This step is important because manually syncing can often resolve temporary connection hiccups, helping you get back on track. After that, we will sign out and back into your account. Open OneNote and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Sign Out. This action will disconnect your account temporarily. Now restart OneNote. When it opens again, sign back in with the Microsoft account that owns your notebook. Authentication issues are a common cause of server connection errors, and this step helps refresh your login session. Now let's update OneNote to ensure you're using the latest version. Open any Microsoft Office app such as Word and go to the File menu. Click on Account and then look for Update options. Here, select Update Now. After the update finishes, make sure to restart OneNote. Keeping your software up to date is key because older versions may no longer be supported by Microsoft Sync servers, leading to connection issues. From there, let's check if the notebook opens in OneNote for the web. Open your web browser and try accessing the notebook online. If it opens successfully, this indicates that the notebook itself is likely fine and the issue resides within the desktop app. However, if it doesn't open online either, the problem could be with OneDrive, SharePoint, or even the notebook itself. This distinction helps narrow down where the issue lies. Next, we need to clear the OneNote cache on Windows. Corrupted cache files can prevent OneNote from connecting to the server effectively. To do this, press Windows and R simultaneously. In the Run dialog, enter %local app data %% tokens 9 Microsoft OneNote and press Enter. Open the appropriate version folder, for example 16.0. Here, delete the cache folder. After doing this, restart OneNote. A new cache will be created automatically. Be sure your notebooks have synced recently before deleting the cache, as this avoids the risk of losing any unsynced notes. At this point, let's check your firewall or antivirus settings. Some firewall or antivirus software can block OneNote from reaching Microsoft servers. If it's safe to do so, temporarily disable your security software or add OneNote to its exception list. After making these changes, give syncing another try. This step is essential because sometimes security software can mistakenly flag OneNote, causing connectivity issues. Finally, a simple restart of your computer can resolve a range of temporary network, authentication, or OneNote service issues. Restarting refreshes system processes and clears minor glitches. If you receive an error code while following these steps, remember that the error code 0xe40105F9 indicates that you should update OneNote to the latest version and sync again. The error code E00006C, which ends with SIG68, prompts you to click Refresh Now after updating. Lastly, 0xe4010641 usually points to a network or server connectivity issue, so double-checking your internet connection is a must. By following these steps carefully, you will be well on your way to fixing your OneNote connectivity issues.